Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is of course required, so your device will be allowed to search for the updates and then enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the system option, and here we have to tap on system update. And as you can see, we've got two different options. So the local update, it simply means that if you've got any kind of files with the update, you will be able to do it with this option. But I highly recommend to simply tap on online update, and your device will right now connect with the server and will show you the information either that your system is up to date, just like in my case, or that you can update the system. Your device will of course show you the new update, the information about it, what has been fixed, for example, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download and your device will download and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.